All right, first grade. Good to see you guys. It's time again for another computer specials lesson. And today we are going to be doing our last lesson for digital citizenship. Okay, our last one. So remember, we talked about how all of us are digital citizens. We all use digital devices, smartphones, laptops, tablets to get on the internet and interact with each other, to talk to each other, to work together, to see each other. So we're all digital citizens. So today, our last digital citizenship lesson is called Internet Traffic Light. Okay, Internet Traffic Light. Here we go. So, how do you stay safe when visiting a website or an app? That's what we're going to think about and talk about today. How do you stay safe when you're visiting a website or an app? Sometimes we don't even think about being safe. We just think, wow, we're getting to do something cool on the internet. We don't realize that maybe we're not being as safe as we should be. Okay, so we're going to talk about that. When you play outside without a grown up, what are some of the things you do to stay safe? Right? So if mom says, if dad says, you can play in the backyard for a little while, but they always want you to remember some things about being safe out there, right? Right? Things like we don't talk to strangers. Remember, we don't talk to strangers. We follow the rules. If there's a place you're not supposed to go, you don't go there. And know when to get help. Mom and dad want you to know when to come inside if something's wrong, right? So those are some of the things we do if you're going to play outside without a grown up. Things that mom and dad, grandma and grandpa, any adult wants you to remember, right? Things like not talking to strangers, following any rules they've talked about, knowing when you should get help. Well, today we're going to talk about how staying safe on the internet, the apps and websites you visit, is pretty similar to staying safe in your neighborhood where you live. We're going to start by watching a fun video of the digital citizens showing us how they stay safe online. But first, you're going to hear something in this video called trust your gut. Now, trust your gut is an expression, right? It's something people say. And it means that sometimes we get these feelings that something's right or something's wrong. And what that means is when someone says you should trust your gut, it means you should listen to that feeling that you kind of feel in your stomach, in your heart, that, okay, this is right, the right thing to do, or this is the wrong thing to do, and I shouldn't do this. So you're going to hear them say, trust your gut in our video here, okay? So let's go ahead and watch our video, and then we will talk.
We go online to find new things to do and see. The internet traffic light shows where we need to be. Green means go, to sites we trust. Yellow means slow, being safe is a must. Red means stop, ask if it's okay. Trust your gut to go the right way. Green means go, to sites we trust. Yellow means slow, being safe is a must. Red means stop, ask if it's okay. Trust your gut to go the right way.
All right. So the digital citizens stayed safe online because they used an internet traffic light. So as you guys all know, right, a regular traffic light tells people when they're driving their cars when they need to go, when they need to slow down, or when they need to stop. Well, in the same way, the internet traffic light tells people who are visiting websites and apps whether or not it's okay to go somewhere. Okay? So, what is a green website or app? Well, green means something's just right, something that's appropriate for you, for your age, And green means it's a site or app that's just right for you. It's fun with things for you to do or see. And it has appropriate words, which means the kind of words you should be seeing, and also words that are not too hard for you, right? Being in first grade, because there's a lot of words that we still don't know. So green means those three things. It's just right for you. It's fun with things for you to do and see, and it's got appropriate words that a first grader should be seeing, right? And just right means something that's appropriate or fitting. So that's green. Okay? That's green. So remember, just right means it's right for you. So, what are some green websites or apps that you visit? How do you know they're safe and just right for you? We would do this together differently, or together as partners, but let's just do this as a group. What are some green websites or apps you visit? How do you know they're safe and just right for you? Okay. Excuse me, guys. So a lot of the websites and the apps that we go to in the computer lab together, those are green websites or apps that I know, that Mr. Houston knows, are appropriate for you guys. Okay. So I want you to just kind of think about, what do you think would be a green website or app for you? What's a yellow website or app? A site you're not sure is just right for you. The words might be hard for you to read. It may ask for information like who you are, where you live, your phone number. It might be a website that has you fill something out, fill some kind of form out where you have to put in information about yourself. Well, a yellow website definitely means you have to be careful, right? Definitely means you have to be careful. And that means you have to have caution. Okay. So it's probably the kind of website or app where you need to ask a grown up for permission before you go on that app, okay, or that website. What is a red website or app? It has everything that a yellow site has. It's a site that is clearly not just right for you. Maybe it's a place you've gone by accident. It's filled with pictures, words, videos that are for older kids or adults. Or it might be a place where you're allowed to chat with people you don't know. All of these things would be signs that this is a red website or app. And remember, red means no go, right? That's not the kind of place you need to be. So I would ask you to get now, if you'd ever been to a red website or app, how did you know it was not right for you? It's okay if you've never been to one that you would think is a red website or app, but we want to know what to do if you ever accidentally go to one, right? Or how to recognize that it's a red one, okay? And the fact that if it is a red website, right, that's somewhere we need to leave if we go to a red website or app. So sometimes we might end up there by accident. If we do end up at a red website, though, we need to ask ourselves these questions or these things, see if it is a red website, and then we need to leave there because that's a no-go kind of place, right? A no-go kind of place. So now we're going to watch Did we already watch this? Did I go too far, guys? Nope, I did not go too far. Let's check out Trust Your Gut here. And remember, your gut is when you listen to like that little voice in your stomach, in your heart, that's telling you that something's not right or something is right. That's when we trust our gut. We listen to that voice that's telling us, I'm supposed to be here, or no, I'm not supposed to be here. So let's watch this.
We go online to find new things to do and see. The internet traffic light shows where we need to be. Green means go to sites we trust. Yellow means slow, being safe is a must. Red means stop, ask if it's okay. Trust your gut to go the right way. Green means go to sites we trust. Yellow means slow, being safe is a must. Red means stop, ask if it's okay. Trust your gut to go the right way.
So I wanted this, it's only a minute long video. I wanted us to watch it one more time just so we can remember about trusting our gut and red, green, yellow, red. Okay? So listen to what they say during the song. Remember the poem, right? We go online to find new things to do and see. The internet traffic light shows where we need to be. Green means go to sites we trust. Yellow means slow, being safe is a must. Red means stop, ask if it's okay. Trust your gut to go the right way. Right? So good job. So remember the rules. Red, green, 2 steps forward, right? Green is good. Yellow, not so good. We need to be careful. Red, that's a no-go. We should leave a red website. Okay? So let's talk for a second. You don't have to do this drawing today. Just think about it. If you would, what you would do if you accidentally went to a not right website, right? And what would you do? So just think about that today. So today we talked about red or green, yellow, red websites and making sure we go to the kind of places where we can stay safe. Right? So good job today, guys. Have a very good day, and I will talk to you soon.